Hello and welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is using the snipping tool in Windows 11. Do you ever need to take screenshots? There is a way to do this without having to use print screen. In Windows 10 and Windows 11, you can use the snipping tool to create screenshots when you need them. Let's look at how to use the snipping tool. Click in the search text box to the right of the Windows icon in the taskbar. Type in snipping and then click Snipping Tool in the search menu. In the Snipping Tool dialog box, click New in the upper left corner. Left-click the top corner of the area you need to capture and drag to the bottom corner of the area you need to capture and release the mouse button. In the top right corner, you can either save, copy, or share the screenshot by clicking on the icon. Keep in mind that the snipping tool will not save the capture unless you click the save icon. Do you have questions about using Windows 11? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.